had no idea that we could do it even if we are not from the industry of design. So a friend of mine explained to me, I thought I had to be a graphic designer or I had to have all this experience, and it's incredible that we can all like go to that direction.
I'm 12 or 18 months sort of out of practice with a lot of things, so I wanted to do a course like this because I enjoy working with people and clients.
And I was like, you know what, I actually had to start doing it instead of just laid back. And I looked in the credibility of the tutors and the lecturers, so that's why I chose Harness Projects.
I see a lot of successful people coming out of the project, like being a UX designer. So I was like, yeah, I want to be like them.
A good deal of good that can come out of this project. And that's mostly why I'm trying to get into UX, is so I can sort of be solving those problems.
Like live project, that sounds more relevant.
It's better to work in collaboration with other people on the same project, so we can exchange ideas and build on that.
Because I did look at some universities, some postgraduates, but this sort of seemed, I don't know, faster and sharper and more real world and more grounded.
Read into it a lot, spoke to some people on LinkedIn who actually have done Harness projects, said they loved it, would highly recommend it, couldn't fault it at all.
The good thing about this industry is it is booming. Like there are a lot of job posts out there, and I believe it's just gonna keep on growing.